I'm about to tell you the worst kept secret in RVing. Hi, I'm Ricky from RV Underway. If you enjoy the RV lifestyle and love learning more about it, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Now, the worst kept secret in RVing happens to be one of the best values as well. I'm talking about Harvest Host. On this leg of our trip from Nashville, Tennessee up to Wilmington, Ohio, Radcliff, Kentucky, home of bourbon and bluegrass, happened to be right at the midway point. So we needed an overnight stay. We reached out to Harvest Host, who we've used many times in the past, and found this great distillery, Boundary Oak Distillery in Radcliff, Kentucky, right next door to this neat pocket knife museum. Are you kidding me? Of course, we went inside and I had to do a tasting.
So if you hit it right away, I can almost guarantee that it will hit you back. So I'm gonna pour it first into this big glass here. I'm gonna ask you guys to practice some form of self-control today and just let this bad boy breathe. Just take a whiff. That stings, that burn. That's what we're trying to avoid. But by itself, it's got a hint of sweetness and a slight burn. The sweetness comes from this being a cane spirit, made from cane sugar, and the burn comes from it being 101. It is up there, you have to expect that. But go ahead and sip yourselves our 101 proof moonshine. A portion of each bottle sold goes directly back to the Pat Museum. So if you like drinking and supporting history, not a bad way to do it. My nice name blood and guts.
And yes, I bought a couple of bottles. Hey, you're in bourbon country, right? An overnight stay, no charges, nice and quiet, not sketchy. Great place to stay. Harvest Host, over 4,500 locations, attractions, interactive museums, golf courses, distilleries, vineyards, breweries, farms, ranches. It's great. We couldn't highly recommend it any more than we already do. We love it. Harvest Host, over 4,500 locations, one yearly fee, and you're not going to beat the price. Check out all the details in the description below. And for RV Underway, I'm Ricky. Fair winds, following seas.